Relationships fall apart not because of lack of love, but because of lack of trust. But what if Stoic philosophy could teach you how to build trust so strong it cannot be shaken? In today's world, promises are broken, loyalty feels rare, and doubt poisons love. The Stoics knew, trust is not given. It's built, daily, through virtue and discipline. Imagine creating a bond where no storm, betrayal, distance, hardship can destroy the foundation. That's what Stoic lessons reveal about building unshakable trust in relationships. Welcome to Stoic Blend, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we'll explore Stoic lessons for building unshakable trust in relationships. Why trust is the foundation of relationships. In modern America, over 40% of marriages end in divorce. Surveys show one of the top reasons is lack of trust, whether from dishonesty, infidelity, or broken promises. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." This was not just moral advice, it was a formula for trust. For the Stoics, trust was not about words, but about consistent virtue. A person who acts justly, speaks honestly, and lives with integrity naturally inspires trust. Trust is not built in grand gestures. It's built in the everyday. Keeping promises, speaking truth, showing reliability. This is 5 Stoic lessons for building unshakable trust in relationships matter now more than ever. Lesson 1. Honesty as the highest form of love. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." To the Stoics, self-honesty was the root of honesty with others. In relationships, dishonesty, whether small lies or hidden truths, creates cracks that grow. Honesty may be uncomfortable, but it is the soil where trust grows. Practical habit. Be honest even about difficult topics, finances, insecurities, mistakes. Speak truth with kindness, not cruelty. Avoid exaggeration. Stoics valued accuracy over flattery. In the U.S., many couples fight not because of one big betrayal, but because of 1,000 small dishonesties. But honesty builds trust strong enough to endure conflict. Lesson 2. Consistency builds security. Seneca wrote, "Behavior consistent with principles is the mark of virtue." Trust is not built by words, it's built by consistency. When your actions align with your words repeatedly, security grows. Practical habit. Keep promises, even small ones. Show up when you say you will. Be predictable in virtue, not in mood swings. In American workplaces and homes, inconsistency creates anxiety. But a partner who acts with consistent virtue becomes an anchor. Trust grows when reliability replaces uncertainty. Lesson 3. Emotional discipline protects trust. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. In relationships, broken trust often comes not from betrayal, but from uncontrolled emotions, anger, jealousy, fear. Stoics practiced emotional discipline to prevent harm. Practical habit. Pause before reacting in conflict. Ask, "Is this in my control?" Choose calm words over harsh ones. In American relationships, couples often damage trust in heated moments. But emotional discipline prevents wounds that are harder to heal than any argument itself. Lesson 4. Trust through shared purpose. The Stoics believed relationships were partnerships in virtue. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." When two people practice virtue together, trust becomes unshakable. Practical habit. Define shared values. Honesty, growth, service. Practice daily rituals of connection. Morning talks, gratitude, checking in, build purpose beyond pleasure, raise children, serve community, pursue growth. In America, where many relationships are fragile under stress, shared purpose strengthens bonds. Trust grows when both know they walk the same path. Lesson 5. Forgiveness as strength, not weakness. Seneca wrote, "How much better to heal than to seek revenge." Trust will be tested. Mistakes will happen. But forgiveness, when paired with accountability, restores trust stronger than before. Practical habit. Forgive when repentance is real. Release grudges, they poison trust. Remember that love without forgiveness is fragile. For American families torn by mistakes, forgiveness is not weakness. It is the power that rebuilds trust. Conclusion. Stoic lessons for building unshakable trust. Trust is not luck. It is built daily, intentionally, through Stoic virtue. Honesty as the highest form of love. Consistency that builds security. Emotional discipline that protects. Shared purpose that unites. Forgiveness that restores. This is Stoic lessons for building unshakable trust in relationships. So tomorrow, in your relationships, speak truth. Act consistently. Master your emotions. Define shared purpose. And forgive. In doing so, you build bonds that no storm can break. Subscribe to Stoic Blend for more wisdom and transform your relationships through ancient Stoic lessons.